how to fix TikTok not letting you make a new account. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you create a new account in less than 1 minute. So first thing, or the first way, is go to the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager, and then go to the TikTok app, click on the storage, and then click on clear data, clear cache, and then click on force stop. And now go back into the settings of your phone again, open the wireless and networks, go into the Wi-Fi option, and now all what you want to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if you are able to change the network that you are connected to, so please try to change it. Now all what you want to do next is make sure to update your TikTok in the Play Store like this. Click on update from here. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.